Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic and entertaining episode on Caught on Dashcam. This time around we prepared something really special. Today's episode is dedicated to instant karma and when cops are on time moments. Make sure to sit back, press play and enjoy in this one. When you cut in front of others, you can only expect something bad to happen. This usually leads to drivers slamming their brakes at best. Causing a crash is something we should all try to avoid, but some drivers just don't care about the consequences. Cammer came across another rude and self-entitled driver who pulled out way too much at the intersection here. This is not something you should be doing and definitely not a great example to others in traffic.
That's had a few upwards and some dips. Asked whose mind it was from.
Ain't that the way it always is? Jay Leno said that. He said, any actor, no matter who you are, he said, he was talking to somebody about doing stand. I think it was Doug David. He said, keep doing stand. I don't care how famous you get as an actor. After about 8 years, you're always the last one. You're always the last guy we call out. You're never going to be first chair the whole time. You got about 8 years of relevance, no matter who you are, and then pretty soon it's just hard to sustain, man. You just can't hit that many home runs. Still worth what he's worth, man. Johnny Depp lost it though. Forbes magazine came out about 5 years ago and said for every $100 you put into a Johnny Depp movie, if he's not dressed like a pirate, you're getting $1 back.
What?
Yeah. And that was a big thing.
Driver thinks that he can drive as he pleases, and this crazy cut-in shows us that. Traffic rules should apply to everyone without exception, and this driver is about to learn that on the hard way. Traffic rules should apply the same to everyone without any exception. The driver that cut in front of the camera surely regrets his decision as soon as he saw the police lights and an officer pulling him over. Respect others in traffic and do the speed limit, guys. With this clip we conclude another Caught on Dashcam episode. I hope you liked what you saw and learned something as well. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and hit that bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Thank you for all your support and until the next one, drive safe and take care.